Crypto for you here. In this video, I'm going to give you a jam-packed video of where I think Bitcoin will go. I think Bitcoin will go to here, but this is only the start, of a big bull run. So this is what I think will happen. So let's get into the video. So why I think we will go see this is all because of a small blip on a monthly radar. And so if we go to here, you can see there's a triangle. There are actually multiple triangles. Let me explain all the triangles. There's one triangle here. This is part of a trend line that we had. It broke out, and we came all the way to here. We had a head and shoulders pattern. Now we're in this triangle. So you can delete this triangle because it's not important. This triangle, however, is really important because this is what's going to take us to this level. This is the biggest triangle in history that you can make, and it ends in January, let's just say February, the start of February. Let's just say next year. And so, of course, we could break out somewhere in November. And this triangle can make us fly out of this triangle and also make us higher than this level, which is 12,000, and make us really high. And so, if we break out, we could be there for we could go to 13,500. And so 13,500 is higher than 12,000. By the way, every time we tap 12,000, this is going to be really, I think this will be the start of a new bull run because last time we've been above literally above it. Not just we came up and came back down 5 hours later, but stayed there was 3 years ago right here. And we only were there for a month. And so we came up, we tapped at a support once, and then we fell back below it. So we had tap here, second tap here, and third tap here. Then we didn't tap it for a long time, till 2019. So for 2 years, we were just down there, down in the low, touching. We fell all the way down to 2,500 after the 20,000. And then we actually touched. We had the fake out here. So this is 4, this is the 5th. There's also 6. And then we had 3 taps here. So 7, 8, 9 right here. And this could be the 10th. And you know that every time we tap 12,000 level or any support, we actually weaken it. And so we could be breaking out. And this 13,600 is where we could be going because of this triangle. It would be higher than this because this is 11,600. It would be higher than this. This is 12,000. And that means we're going to be in the thin air zone. And this is going to be really great because, you know, on the VPVR, there is a place where we have been really not that much times. And so here, and you can see that there's thin air here. We're going to be in thin air. It's going to be 30,000. That could be the start of a bull run. And since we're going to be breaking out of this triangle, we have to see where this triangle could go. And this triangle, of course, could be going like this. We actually drag it in like that. And so we drag it in like that. So this is actually it's supposed to be turned to this way. $24,000. That's where we could be going. All-time high. That's in the long term. So far, I think we're gonna go to 30,000. That's in the smaller time frame. Also, we have these two triangles, and you can see these two lines that make up a triangle. It's an ascending triangle, and so this ascending triangle, if you take it from here to here, you can see that it actually, if we drag it up to here, and let's just say if this is the breakout very top, also. Well, actually not also. It takes us to $21,000. And this is why I am really bullish for Bitcoin. This is actually the daily time frame. So if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, which is for swing traders, this is really great. So we could be breaking out the end of this triangle. This triangle, the small triangle, is October 15th. But of course, like I always say, we could be breaking out a little bit earlier. So I would say October 9th is the most. So 3 days from when I'm recording this, if you're watching this a day later, we could already be starting to actually test the top. The top of this triangle is 10,700 going down every day. And so we could go down to 10,400, or we could be actually starting to go up right now. So either if you see that we go to 10,430 or somewhere like there, that means we're just tapping the bottom of the triangle, and that's fine. But that would mean that we would actually break out. We could be, because we're coming to the end of the triangle. I think we were going to actually go out. But there's always a small chance that we're going to break down. And if we break down always there's a small chance we are gonna just go to 10,000 because that is the next support where we test. Well, we could also test 10,200, but 10,000 was really big support, and also it's the bottom of this triangle, and so that's where we could test. And so this is really bullish for Bitcoin. If we break this, we will come actually back up, and we could be bouncing inside of this triangle till like November, and then we could break out. But this is really bullish, and I think we will go to here. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys next video. Bye!